before May's rent. So I do apologize for that. It's actually 5613.
Okay.
Sorry, Judge.
No, it's okay. Okay, Ms. McGuire. Ms. McGuire, my problem is I don't know how mathematically this is even going to work. I mean, tell me what you see. I mean, how do you see yourself getting out of this? I mean, let me just say this. I think when you gave me the numbers on the 17th, I don't think you were trying to not tell me the truth. I mean, I think you thought you could do it. And it's not happening. So tell me what you think.
Can try to do something by today, but I'm not sure.
You can try what?
I can try to do something today, but I'm not sure.
What? You all right? All right. When you tell me that, what do you mean you're going to try to do something? What are you?
Try to see if I can get some more money by today.
You don't get paid next until mid-June, right?
Yes.
And on that check, you're not going to. What's going to happen with that? I mean, how much is that check going to be?
I'm not sure. My checks are different.
Okay. Mr. Guire, regrettably, I think we've kind of come to the end of the road because I don't know how to make it work. What worries me is that we have 3,000 sitting out there, but I got to get that other now to really 2,600, and I don't know where it's going to come from. Even if you pay the 600 you have today, then I'm at 2,000. But then tomorrow, 470 clicks in,
Go back up.
and so we've only really knocked off 130. So your next check, though, is the 14th?
15th.
15th.
Yes.
So you get paid the 15th and the 30th, is that?
Yeah, and if the month has a 31st, and I get paid the 31st.
Okay. Hey, Mr. McGuire, I don't have a choice in this thing. Okay. I mean, we've kind of worked it through. Did you also have 400 from DHS?
Yes.
So that's waiting out there too.
Yes.
So I really have effectively 3,400 of this amount waiting. It's just, I mean, it's the same thing, but there's. Amy, I'm glad you showed up. You probably can't give us an answer. Is there, but even if she has the funding, I believe she's supposed to get 3,000.
Yes, Your Honor. So 3,000 from SOS. However, there's a portion that needs to be taken care of for their comfortable living. And then the part that I don't have more information about is what that arrangement is or.
All right. The court's going to find that there's no tribal issue. The court's going to enter a judgment for possession. The total redemption amount, the 5,613 was inclusive of cost, Ms. Zana.
It was not. 175 is due in cost, so $5,788.
$5,788. Okay, Ms. McGuire. I won't have the writ would normally issue the 10th.
I was thinking the 14th, Judge.
And I'm going to go to the 17th. And the only reason is that a check for her comes the 15th.
Sounds good, Judge. Understand.
So writ would issue June 17th. All right. So now, Ms. McGuire, I added some time onto that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have to make a decision of paying the $600 to the landlord, but yeah, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but you got to come up with, really it's effectively 27 with the cost of almost $2,800.
This is tough. You can hear the judge running the math out loud, and it's simply not adding up. Have you ever been in a situation where every paycheck feels different, unpredictable, and impossible to budget? That uncertainty is crushing, and here it might decide whether
To
someone
work with
keeps
you
their
and set up
home.
a payment
Mhm.
plan that I think would suffice. Is that correct, Amy?
Payment plan would be helpful. There was a payment plan and a COD that would be even more helpful.
Even more help. So it's a conditional order of dismissal, meaning that the case would be dismissed if there's a payment plan set up. I don't know how Sycamore Meadows is going to feel about that. I'm not going to get involved in that. If they want to convert this to a COD, I'm not going to have a problem
Okay.
with it.
Okay.
So that can happen, and Ms. Zanin would know how that would work if you work it out with your landlord. But I
Okay.
suggest that you get to them as soon as possible.
Great.
Try to see if there's a way that can work it out so you can certainly access at least 3,000 of those funds to maintain your.
Notice how the judge keeps circling back to the numbers? Legally, eviction courts work on strict math, not feelings. If the money owed can't be confirmed, even good intentions aren't enough. This is the harsh part of housing court. Sympathy doesn't override statute.
Ms. Zanin, whether she's it's not, you don't have a housing choice voucher, do you?
No.
Where you can move. I mean, your rent is subsidized through Sycamore, basically, right?
Notice how the judge keeps circling back to the numbers. Legally, eviction courts work on strict math, not feelings. If the money owed can't be confirmed, even good intentions aren't enough. This is the harsh part of housing court. Sympathy doesn't override statute.
Whenever you come in here, despite how bad things were going, I have to appreciate one thing about you, and that is you always had a smile on your face and hope in your heart, I could tell.